Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to be unboxing a PR package that I received from Nordstrom, and all the products are beauty and they are over $1,000. And I asked you guys on my Insta stories whether you would like to see unboxing on my Insta stories or you would like a YouTube video, and the poll that I got from the results, it was almost equal. So I decided I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna do a YouTube video for the ones who said wanted to watch YouTube unboxing, and the ones that says Insta stories, I'm gonna also have a little bit of unboxing on the Insta stories as well. So let's get started with this YouTube video. First of all, look at the box. It's so heavy. I'm going to show you one thing at a time. Some of them are the products that I already love. I'm using them, and some of them are new to me, so I'm super excited about trying those. And thank you, Nordstrom, for sending this goodies. So let's see what it looks like in here. This is what it looks like. Now I see this cutest skinny dip makeup pouch, and I love the color, so cute, and it is like huge. I can fill up I can stuff in for travel. It's such a cute bag. And they have some makeup products in there. They're not from Skinny Dip, but they are YSL, and I see NARS in there, so there's a whole bunch in there. Let's see what's... You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna start with this. Okay, so there is an eye contour cream. I don't know how to say this. Clay Pro Beauty. I am not sure. I'm gonna link everything down, so when I'm done with the video, I'm gonna link everything in the description, so you can just check out all these products. Then I have this lipstick from NARS, and then this is the Tom Ford lipstick, I guess. It's from Tom Ford. And this is, I don't know how to say this, but it's called Chantekali, I believe. It's the eye lift. Then there's a lipstick from Bobbi Brown, YSL. There is this Hourglass Ambient Blush. Then is a Pout Perfecting Balm from Clinique. There's a Butter London Melt Away Cuticle Exfoliator. Oh my god, that sounds amazing. And this is a perfume from Clean Reserve, and it's the Blonde Rose. Super cool. Everything looks like I can take it for my next travel. Then there are the glycolic exfoliating and resurfacing wipes. They are paraben free from Anthony, and I love these. Right now they are on Nordstrom anniversary sale, and you get like 2 packs for the price of 1, which makes it like a drugstore price, so you should check that out. And the Drawer Cosmetics Lip Gloss Duo is my favorite. I shared this on my previous beauty video with Nordstrom anniversary sale as well, so that is exciting. Then I have this solid makeup brush cleanser from Sigma. It's called the Sigmagic, and I believe it's a new product because I've been using this cleaning mat for a long time, and I got it from Nordstrom as well, but I'm excited about trying this because I think I can take it for my travel as well. So it's pretty neat. Okay. Then we have the Glycolic Facial Cleanser from Anthony again. It is awesome, but you have to get the makeup off. Then this is the set of brushes from Luxie. I think it's on Nordstrom Anniversary sale. It comes as a set of 12 brushes. It's beautiful. It comes with this nice case. You can take it to travel. You can just set it on your vanity, and I like it that you can actually close it up so your brushes stay clean, which is great. And Luxie brushes are amazing. I've used it for a long time, and I didn't have the whole set, but I used so many different brushes from Luxie, and I'm so glad that I have a whole set of brushes now. So pretty cool. These are also perfumes. It's called Perfume de Marly, the Royal Essence. I haven't tried it before, so it sounds great. It has it has the perfume samplers in here. So cool. Excited to try this. I don't know if these are men or women. I'll have to check that out. I haven't used this brand before, so I'm excited about trying those. Then we have the Champagne Pop from Becca, my all-time favorite. I have like 3 of these and I've used it for a long time. I love it. I'm gonna probably give it to my mom. She would love this because I have like 3 of these and so good. This I love. I don't know how to say this, but it's a bath soap from Banho, and I think it sounds amazing. That is such a great product. It says it's for the beauty of your skin. It's amazing. Then there is a fragrance from Trish McCoy, and I love their fragrances. So cool. Excited to try that. I already love the roses. Her rose from Herbivore, the rose mist from Herbivore, and it is amazing. I have tried it before. I have it, and I always take it in my purse so I can just mist my face, especially during summertime. It's amazing. Then we have these perfume set from Hermes. This is my first ever Hermes perfume set, so I'm excited about that. I don't know if this is for women. I think these are for men. So I can save this for my husband's birthday next month. The Just Wing It from Wonder Beauty is an amazing set. It's also on Nordstrom Anniversary sale. You should check this out. It's a great price and the product is amazing. If you want to get a look for the fake lashes look, but not wear the fake lashes, this is amazing because it kind of gives the fuller lashes that you want, and I love this set. So amazing. Then we have the Deep Pore Cleansing Mask from Kiehl's. Their products are amazing, so excited about that. And this Hangover Prescription 3-in-1 from Too Faced is an amazing product again. It is the primer and setting spray, and I think I was out of the one that I was using, so excited to get that as well. Then we have the Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue fragrance. So exciting. That's an amazing gift set. This is amazing. I love it. And we have more perfumes. This is the Prada Candy Natural Spray. Love it. All-time favorite. Then we got a couple of fragrance set, and they are from Tom Ford. So cool. And then the Max Fix Plus. I think this looks like a new one. I don't think I've tried this one. It is the Fix Plus Pink Light. Oh, so cool. I haven't tried this one. I think it might be a new product. I'm not sure, but love it. Excited about that. I used the MAC Fix Plus for such a long time. It's like a great mist, and I do have some tips on that. And if you want me to share more tips on how to use the Fix Plus, like 5 or 10 ways to use the Fix Plus, then let me know in the comments section below and I will put a blog post together for you guys. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge, and I love Clinique products. They're so amazing. I doubt I have tried this. I forget sometimes. I try so many different products, but I don't think I've tried this, so it looks amazing. I really want to try this. It says Moisture Surge, so it might be a great product for hydration. Then I also wanted to share, this is what I received in the Nordstrom package, but I wanted to share some goodies that I got from Dry Bar. And this is the Bay Breeze Thirsty Hair Quencher, and it's so amazing. What I do is, after I shampoo my hair, I just spray this whole bottle. It's like a shot. So you just take the whole bottle, spray bottle, squeeze the water from the hair, and then spray the Bay Breeze, and then leave it for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then rinse it off. It's amazing. If you have dry hair like I do, you should try that. So cool. And then Dry Bar dry shampoo is my all-time favorite. I also have a little size which I take it for my travel, but this is perfect for keeping it on my vanity. And of course, who doesn't need the treatment oil, the 100 proof? It's the best product they have. It's amazing. I love Dry Bar products. So anyways, I'm so thankful for this PR package, and I know that you all love watching unboxing of the PR package, so keep following me along on my Instagram. If you aren't already, I will leave the link to my Instagram down below. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.